Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. We have a customer who wanted us to do just a recharge. The vehicle would not come on, the compressor would not come on whatsoever. So what we did, because this is a Honda, we came over. After you do the AC recharge, always let your gauge or whatever it is that you're charging sit for 10 minutes. This needle right here is going to go close to what's outside or a lot or below. If the needle goes this way, you have a leak. If the needle moves this way and comes back a little bit, that is a small leak. Don't worry about that. But if this needle moves very quickly in a short period of time of 10 to 15 minutes, you have a major leak. Get it fixed. If you are recharging a unit that has no Freon in it whatsoever, have a professional to vacuum it. If you choose not to vacuum out your system, this time next year, you will be paying me $1,000 a minimum. Hello, my name is Miguel. This is another part of the video. I just did a AC Honda Civic. The customer wanted us to do a recharge. The customer was very kind to us before because we did a pre-inspection. So when we got there, his compressor wasn't engaging. So the job was not even going to be done because I could not put Freon in a compressor that doesn't come on. Due to him being kind, you be kind to the chef and you be kind to the waitress. I troubleshot it, and then the Honda Accord, a lot of times it's going to be the AC relay is bad. All you have to do is swap it out and look for the fuse, pull it in, pull it out. After that was done, the car needed recharge. And like I said, if it has no Freon in it, you must have it vacuumed, because that little $100-something job can turn to over $1,000 because you cannot have any moisture in the system at all. You put it under a vacuum. But since he had Freon already in the car, I just did the recharge, and now he's at a nice toasty 12 degrees. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and this video costs some money, and we would like to put out more videos to help people. And all you have to do, you can donate at $ the Mobile Mechanic 757. If you have any questions, you can also go to the mobilemechanic757.com, which is our website. We have a the Mobile Mechanic 757 group page and a business page, and you can also check us out on Google, the Mobile Mechanic 757. Thank you.